What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. So in the wake of Paul token going absolutely crazy, it's looking like Shiba Inu themed meme tokens are heating up right now. So I want to bring this one to y'all because some of my community members were able to get a 20x plus off of that last Paul play. So this is another early play, and I just want to put it in front of y'all. You got to remember though, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You always have to do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. Now let's take a look at this project right here. It is called Kennel Locker. The ticker is Kennel. So it says protecting your DeFi investments with the ultimate liquidity pool locker. Kennel, a proud project of at Shibarium Net, low fees, tradable on Uniswap. Now, I am not affiliated with this project, so I'm not telling you go out and buy it. I'm just telling you that this could potentially start to give us some sympathy from what we're seeing on Paul token. If we take a look at this project, it is up over 100 and just a little earlier, we seen this project up over 130% today. So right now it is having a pullback, which I'm glad y'all are seeing this video on possibly what we might see as a retracement, but it's up 90% on the day. So this is not a token that we want to ignore. We seen Paul token go 100 plus percent one day, 200 plus percent one day, another 100 something percent one day. So this could be something similar. Also take a look at this chart. This is very, very bullish. Now let's adjust this real quick before we go back to the Twitter page. I just want y'all to see what I'm seeing here. Okay, we got 24-hour volume at 776,000. Right now, up 90% in the last 24 hours. It says fully diluted valuation at 2.6 million right now. So even at a 30 million, that's still a 10x right now. We seen Paul token get around $100 million market cap before it started to retrace. So if we do the math right there, that's at least possibly a little less than a 50x that we could see. I'll say probably at least a 40x. Not saying we will, but the potential if this goes to 100, maybe a $45 million, 45x, but if it goes to $100 million market cap. So keep that in mind. Let's go check out the Twitter page before we check out the website real quick. The Twitter is at Kennel Locker, KENNEL Locker, and then the website is kennellocker.io. So let's take a look at the last tweets. We got the pin post says Kennel team walks the talk, and since this was dropped, the team has prepared a demo on Goerli testnet for users to test Kennel Locker, released a thorough demo on how to navigate the Kennel ecosystem, and more bombshells incoming from the team. Now, this is my first time reviewing this project, so I'm not really just going at it as, this is a long-term investment for me. This is more of a degen type of play for right now. But as we, continue to learn more about the project, and if we really like it, then this could be something that we feature on the channel. So let's see. Released a thorough demo on how to navigate the Kennel ecosystem, more bombshells incoming from the team. Kennel, they have prepared a LP locker utility providing security against rug pulls on Shibarium. So they could be very, very useful. I like the way it sounds so far, so we'll give them a like. We are following them. Kennel, the #1 Shibarium ecosystem locker. I like how a lot of people are rolling with that #1 title right now as the markets, get ready for the Shibarium beta release. She Possessor says ape some Kennel. Kennel has a locker utility to avoid rug pulls on Shibarium chain. Chart looks well, and Telegram is hyped. So you want to check out the Telegram as well, t.me/Kennel Locker. Let's take a look at the website real quick. Shibarium Pad said, we are proud to announce Kennel Locker as our newest partner. They have done an amazing job at creating a robust token and liquidity locker. Together we rise, Shib Army. So we're starting to see a lot of projects like we predicted months ago. As Shibarium release, we're going to start to see a lot of exciting projects coming around, building on top of Shibarium. And, we talked about how Shibarium could possibly be the catalyst to the new bull market for meme coins. It's looking like we might see a meme rally here, y'all. So, chart looking good. Let's take a look at the website. Very simplistic website, nothing too major on it. Kennellocker.io. It says protect your tokens with Kennel, the ultimate liquidity pool. Just like a dog crate protects your furry friend from harm, Kennel safeguards your valuable tokens against rug pulls. Launching first on the Ethereum blockchain, Kennel is the secure solution for locking your liquidity pool tokens on Shibarium. Don't let the fear of losing your investment keep you up at night. Trust Kennel to keep your tokens safe and secure. Join the movement towards a safer token ecosystem with the Kennel team today. And then here's the Kennel tokenomics. Let's drag this over. Kennel tokenomics, tradable on Uniswap with a 5% fee for both buy and sell transaction. Kennel offers a unique opportunity for token holders to protect their liquidity pool investments. Our low fee structure ensures that you keep more of your profits while still providing the necessary funds to maintain and grow our platform. By holding Kindle tokens, you are not only securing your liquidity pool asset, but also participating in the growth and development of our platform as we continue to expand and attract more users. The demand for Kindle tokens is expected to increase, providing long-term benefits for our holders. Join the future of token security with Kindle Team today. So token supply looks to be 100 billion tokens. I like that number right there, but they do not have a lot of information on this webpage, y'all. We can scroll around here. You can see they don't have they don't have an explanation of tokenomics, where that 5% goes to. They did mention running the project, but we don't have a team section here. We don't have a section, to really let us know anything about the project and, who's behind it. So this is literally a ape degen play. So only if you have the risk tolerance for something like this. Don't look at this as, a long-term investment until we begin to learn more about the project. But I'm just saying, for right now, I like that they have the Etherscan. They got the Twitter, Telegram, and the Medium, it looks like, at the bottom of the page. Actually, we do have a about section here. DX Screener, tokenomics. They got the white paper here. So let's take a look at the white paper real quick. This is some of the meat and bones I want to leave, on the plate for y'all to still come and do some due diligence, because I want you to use this video as a part of your due diligence, but not as the sole piece of due diligence. So white paper a little hard to read with this font, but they do have a roadmap section here. That is interesting. Okay, let's take a look at the roadmap. Let's dig into this, y'all. Roadmap. Phase 1 initial launch. Launch Kindle Locker on Goerli testnet. Test and refine Kindle's LP Locker utility on Goerli testnet. Implement community feedback and suggestions. Launch Kindle token on Goerli testnet. Build and grow Kindle's community. Phase 2. Launch on Ethereum mainnet. Launch Kindle Locker on Ethereum mainnet. Migrate Kindle token to Ethereum mainnet. Implement additional features and functionalities on Kindle Locker. Expand partnerships and collaborations with blockchain projects. Increase marketing and outreach efforts to attract more users and token projects. Phase 3. Monetization and token buyback program. Implement monetization strategy on Kindle Locker through ads and sponsored locks. Okay, that's interesting. That token buyback program. Use revenue generated from monetization to buy back Kindle tokens from market. Continue to expand and improve Kindle Locker's features and functionalities. Expand partnerships and collaborations with exchanges and other blockchain projects. Increase marketing and outreach efforts to attract more users and token projects. Phase 4, integration with Shibarium. Build and deploy Kindle Locker on Shibarium chain. Integrate with ShibaSwap and other Shibarium-based projects. Expand partnerships and collaborations with Shibarium-based projects. Increase marketing and outreach efforts to attract more users and token projects on Shibarium chain. Phase 5, scaling and growth. Scale and grow Kindle Locker's infrastructure to handle increased traffic and user demand. Implement additional features and functionalities on Kindle Locker to improve user experience and security. Expand partnerships and collaborations with other blockchain projects. Increase marketing outreach. This roadmap is subject to change based on market conditions, community feedback, and other factors. The Kindle team is committed to delivering the best possible product and experience for its users and will continue to work tirelessly to achieve this. So they're really, moving utility first, with this Kindle Locker, this safeguard. I'm not sure exactly how they plan on it working. Maybe they might explain that further down in the roadmap, but I'm gonna leave a little meat on the bone for y'all. Let's just dig into it a little bit. But Kindle's problem statement: the cryptocurrency space is constantly evolving landscape with projects and tokens emerging every day. While the growth has brought many benefits, it also created a problem of fragmentation and confusion for investors and project owners. New projects and tokens are created, investors must navigate a complex and often unreliable ecosystem of exchanges, wallets, and other services to manage their assets. One of the biggest challenges facing investors is the lack of a reliable and secure way to lock their assets in order to earn staking rewards and participate in liquidity pools. Existing lockers are often unreliable, unsecure, or lack the necessary functionality to support all types of tokens. This problem is particularly acute for projects built on the emerging Shibarium chain, which lacks a dedicated locker for its native LP tokens. Without a reliable locker solution, Shibarium projects and their investors are left exposed to unnecessary risks and inefficiencies. Kendall aims to solve these problems by providing a reliable, secure, and user-friendly locker solution for all types of tokens, including Shibarium liquidity pool tokens. With Kendall, investors and project owners can rest assured that their assets are secure and that they have access to all features and functionalities they need to maximize their returns. So the solution Kendall provides is a comprehensive locker utility for LP tokens on Ethereum and Shibarium networks. With the rapid growth of decentralized finance and the emergence of new blockchain networks, there is an increasing need for a reliable and secure way to lock LP tokens for a specific period of time. Kendall addresses this need by providing user-friendly locker platform that allows LP token holders to lock their tokens and earn rewards. So basically it looks like for those that like to stake tokens and things like that to, provide liquidity to other projects in order to receive rewards. It's like a safer way to possibly do it. Do I know if it actually is safer? Does it actually work? I'm not sure, but that's what the team is saying. So you still have to do your own due diligence. So keep that in mind. I want you to join the Telegram, ask the team questions, and then you decide after that if it's worth investing for you. So in addition to its core locker functionality, Kendall's also exploring additional revenue streams, including advertising on the locker platform and other value-added services for LP token holders. This will not only generate revenue for Kendall, but also provide added benefits for users, such as access to exclusive project information and opportunities. So it's looking good right now. I'm gonna leave some more information here. I want to check out possibly the team section, and then we'll leave the rest. I skipped over some, so y'all will have to go through this white paper and still read. But the Kendall team is composed of experienced developers and professionals with over 5 years of experience in building successful blockchain projects. The team members bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise from diverse backgrounds in finance, software development, and marketing. The team is led by a group of individuals with a passion for creating innovative solutions to address real-world problems. They are committed to delivering the best possible products and services to their users and building a strong community around the Kendall ecosystem. So the development team is composed of skilled engineers and developers who have a deep understanding of the blockchain space and are well versed in the latest technologies. They work tirelessly to ensure that the Kendall remains on the forefront of innovation and the industry. So I'm going to leave some right there. So far, it does look like a nice 8 play for me, a nice degen play. The project is up. It's pulling back right now. It's having some retracement. So this is why I always tell y'all, not to chase green candles. It can be, exciting sometimes to just jump in. Sometimes you can just FOMO, but you have to understand that if you chase green candles, there's a likelihood of the price having a correction. Now, we seen this happen with Paw token. Paw, after it broke out the first time like that, going crazy, it had a pullback for a couple days before absolutely taking off again. So you have to still decide, is this project right for you? But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are